In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use emojis on Monopoly Go. So actually, to be able to use Monopoly Go emojis, then what you're going to do is to firstly land on the rail train symbol. Basically, that's very important because if you are not able to land on it, then you're not able to use it, just so you know. So I'm just going to actually try to see if I can land on it. It's not the easiest thing sometimes, but basically what you're going to do, you're going to actually play until you land on one of the rail like options in here basically, and after that you will be able to use your emoji. So perfect, as you can see I now landed on a rail symbol right here. So what I'm going to do now is to just target this person, just as an example for these tutorials. I'm just going to target this house right here. So now what you're going to do, as you can see on this page, you should not click on collect in here. What you're going to do instead, as you can see your profile picture, right? But in the top right corner of your profile picture, there should be like a smiley symbol, as you can see. So click on the smiley symbol, and now in here you will be able to use an emoji. So for example, we can take this one right here, and what will happen then is that I'm going to show you exactly. I'm just going to click on collect now, and then I'm going to go back to this page. Now what I'm going to do is to click on friends in the bottom right corner, then I'm going to click on timeline, then we can scroll down, and as you can see, for example, this one right here, 3 days ago I was shut down, as you can see my landmark, and there is also an emoji next to the person's profile picture, and that emoji is basically shown because they used an emoji on me. So that is basically exactly what will happen as well when you do use emojis. They will be able to see that what kind of emoji that you used, and they will be able to see, of course, that you have like shut down their landmark or something like that. So basically this is exactly how to use emojis on Monopoly Go.